Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beautifully furnished house for sale. It is located in the sought after community of Meadowbrook. This property is an investor's dream as it is currently being used for Airbnb. This beautifully maintained property has 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms with expansive green space, which is also ideal for raising a family. There is also an external detached storeroom. This house has two main entrances with electronic gates with controlled code access to the front patio. The property is configured into two flats with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, living, kitchen, and dining area in one flat, with 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom in the other. The highlight of the property is the use of the ultra-modern fixtures and fittings outfitted throughout the home. The house is fully air-conditioned with water heater, water storage, security systems, with an in-unit laundry area. There is also adequate space for expansion. Centrally located to schools, shopping centers, supermarkets, and professional offices makes this property the ideal investment. Call now to arrange viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh, baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
The asking price for this house is Jamaican 65 million or US $413.4 thousand dollars. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.